Hello, and welcome to my circle. Today we are going to talk about setting up your ISBNs. What is an ISBN? It is basically the social security number for your book. Anybody can just type in that number into Google and your book will pop up. How you assign a specific identification number to your book. It's really easy to do. It seems really big and mystified, but I'm going to demystify it for you. I'm going to show you how I create and set up, purchase, all that, my ISBNs, so that you can do it along with me. So come on, let's go to my little messy desk here. Let's go and sign up for some ISBNs. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to myidentifiers.com. Then you're going to sign in /register. I already have an account here, but I'm going to show you what it looks like to register. You're going to click that button and then click new to Bowker customer. Yes, new Bowker, my bad. So here, I'm going to sign in just to show you what it looks like on my end after you create your account. You're then going to navigate over to register and copyright your book, buy ISBNs, or buy ISBNs in bulk. Let's click the first option. So you'll see all this great information about ISBNs, why you should buy one, so many reasons why, how many do you need, all that great info is there for you. You can buy 10 at a great price for $300. Or you can buy one for $125. Sometimes you just need one, so I understand. Or you may need 100 or 1,000 because you just write books every day. It's your world. You can also buy an ISBN with a barcode. But for this purpose, we are going to click one ISBN. We're going to add it to the cart. Then we are going to go to our cart so you can see what it looks like from that end. And there it is. You will check out, add in your pay information, and you are done. But what does it look like once you have all your ISBNs? Well, I'm going to show you the back end. I have here my profile, and I'm going to click my identifiers. And you will see that I already have 10, and half of them, more than half, are assigned. And what happens is if you have some ISBNs that aren't, assigned, they will just hang out in your profile waiting for you to assign a title. And there are the ISBNs already purchased. They already have the numbers. They are yours, ready to go when you are. See, that wasn't so bad after all. So what I want you to do now is go ahead and like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and be sure to join my circle. See ya.